Alright, let's see. We can go anywhere on this one. I turned around, I was heading that way and seen this, so I figured, hey, there's some four-wheeler action down here. It's supposed to be a Forest Service road, so go until we see gate or no trespassing or some purple paint. That's all I do. I'm just creeping because I have no idea where I'm at. There's a tree. I need a skid plate so bad. I hate to bash this thing over it, but we're about to. Woo! Hold on. I gotta adjust my clutch out some. I actually think my clutch cable's getting stretched out. Ooh. I hate doing this, but sometimes it's needed. Hopefully that's the only one. I got a low profile oil plug on here for that reason right there. But my clutch cable's just about stretched out. Go ahead and walk it off in this hole. A whole lot of weight to be moving around. And I start breathing hard because, whoo. It's a workout. Looks like there's another one down. I need to mount me a chainsaw on here. And this one's bushy. I don't know if I can go around it or not. Let's see what we got when we get here. There's all kinds of trees down. I really don't want to bushwhack. Looks like somebody came through here on a four-wheeler. Oh, just for more. Can't just have a peaceful ride. Do all this. Let's see. Ooh, there's some holes. Dang. Oh. I'm looking around, wasn't paying attention. Dang, that's a good hole. I really don't like going in mud. Oh. Oh. That's called a flame out. And These bikes are so lean from a factory. And of course, they do it right here. Talking about getting winded, boy. Woo. Come on. Oh. Y'all just gonna hear me heavy breathing this whole video. Trying to breathe easy. I think it'd be less work if I had a chainsaw. Trying to see where the four-wheeler's been going. It looks like this way. Glass bottle. Oh, there's a cut tree. Need about 10 more of them. Why it looks like it's opening up more on this end. I mean, we should be going deeper into the woods. I'm gonna pop out on somebody's property. What's gonna happen? Nope, just a road. Okay. Down. This is actually mud. I hate mud, sticky mud like this. I don't know if that sand be any better down there or not, but I need to get out of here before them people leave, so I ain't stuck behind them cruising. Now my pegs are all nasty. Now I have the stock rubber pegs and they suck when you get mud on them. Adventure time. And I was hopping 2 trees. I was already committed. Oh yeah, we're gonna have some heavy breathing on this video. Woo! And get some air. So far, besides just mud, nothing looks too beat up. See, stock skid plate did pretty good. It's flexible. It can take a hit. I had an old Honda Rancher. Had big tires, every mod you could think of on it, and I used to slam that thing over trees. Never had an issue. Actually still have it. Yep, just some mud. I liking these tires. I mean, they don't do great in mud, but as far as I ride to get somewhere, they're excellent. Alright, I'm gonna get a water real quick.